Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to run a profit margin report in QuickBooks. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see your business's profitability in percentage terms, this is the report you need. Stick with me until the end because I'll walk you step by step so you don't miss a thing. First, let's talk about why this is important. A regular profit and loss report gives you the raw numbers, your income, expenses, and net profit. But sometimes just looking at numbers isn't enough. That's where a profit margin report comes in. It shows your profit as a percentage of income, which makes it much easier to measure performance and compare different time periods. So let's dive in. Step 1. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Reports. Step 2. In the search bar, type in Profit and Loss and select the Profit and Loss report from the results. This is the foundation of your profit margin report. Step 3. At the top, set your desired report period. This could be a month, quarter, or year, and choose your accounting method. Most small businesses stick with cash or accrual depending on how they track their finances. Once you're ready, click Run Report. Now you'll see your basic profit and loss report. But we're not done yet. We want to see profit margins. Step 4, click on Customize. This opens up several options to adjust how the report is displayed. In the Customization panel, find the Rows Columns or Change Columns section. From here, select Percent of Income. What this does is convert the amounts into percentages of your total income. Essentially, you'll see what portion of every dollar earned goes to expenses and what's left as profit. Step 5. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click Run Report again, and there it is. You now have a profit margin report. Your results will show your income, expenses, and net profit as percentages of total income. This gives you a clear picture of your margins and helps you identify areas where costs may be eating too much of your revenue. And that's it. Running a profit margin report in QuickBooks is really that simple. It's one of the most valuable tools to track how efficiently your business is operating. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and let me know in the comments if there's another report you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.